Hey guys, today I'm doing a very different video from my usual one. It's a chit-chat video. So this is the video I wanted to do for a while, ever since I found an old photo of my work, which I'm going to share with you guys today and talk about today's topic because it's a big one. It's happening to all of us on a daily basis at work, at school, or through social media. And I really want to address what I think about it from my own experience. So if you're discouraged or feeling not good enough about your skills right now, either you're a baker or pastry chef for work or as a hobby, if you're discouraged for some reason, please do me a favor. Please give me about 10 minutes to see if this video can be helpful for you. So one day I was on Facebook and it popped up so randomly. You know, Facebook sometimes give you a reminder, kind of reminder that you posted this 3 years ago or you did this 5 years ago. Sometimes it really won't stop my heart. The other times I feel like my own business. But yeah, Facebook gave me the notification that I posted this photo. Let me see if I can find it quickly. I saved it. Yes. Right here. So it is a photo of a strawberry shortcake I made like more than a decade ago. I was shocked. I don't want to say bad, but I was bad, right? When I was a child, we had a family tradition to eat a strawberry shortcake on Christmas or Christmas Eve every year. And that year, I remember I told my mom, I'll do it this year. I'll make it this year. So don't buy it, I'll do it on my own. And I was so excited. I had no idea how to frost a cake. I never learned it before, so as I frosted it, I kind of gave up trying to make it look good because it was so difficult. And here's the result. I knew it looked far from perfection, but I was actually very happy with this look, knowing that it was my very first one, and somehow it kind of looked good to me, because it was made with love and joy. So I wanted to share it with you guys because first, most importantly, I want you to feel hope. By knowing how bad I was, I want you to feel hopeful that you can seriously improve even if you start from zero experience. That is 100% true, as you can see. So in case you don't have a lot of experience with baking and feel discouraged because you failed or something happened, I want to remind you that everyone starts from zero. What I didn't have enough at that time was just knowledge and practice. I just didn't have them. I didn't know all the tips and tricks to frost a cake beautifully with whipped cream, which by the way I shared in this video, so if you are interested, check it out later. And without practicing the skills, nobody can master them. Nobody. Unless you have a special something. So where you are right now does not determine where you will be in 6 months, in 1 year, or whenever in the future. I knew I was a beginner. I knew I was not good at all. I just loved baking and I wanted to get better so badly. So I tried new desserts, I tried new techniques, I kept learning and practicing. And it was fun too, because it's a passion, right? So if you're a beginner and feel the same way I did, or even if you're not a beginner, if you feel the same way, then I've got to say you are in a right place. That passion is going to take you far, far away. So just ride on it and see where it goes. And even though I am far ahead from years ago, I want you to know that I still feel discouraged every now and then. And I still feel I am not complete at all. I still feel I'm not good enough at certain fields. For example, I don't have enough experience with showpiece, like sugar showpiece or chocolate showpiece, and I don't have a lot of experience with keto desserts or vegan desserts as much as other desserts. So those are my weakness, I should say. And also I know there are a lot of desserts that I've never tried yet, knowing that there are countless kinds of desserts in the world. I'm pretty sure there's something you know and I don't know, or you know better than me. I'm just teaching what I know. And keep in mind that you don't need to cover all of that if it's not something you want. If you have a passion for a specific dessert, you can only do that and be the best in a category. And a lot of times just having that one strength is enough for you to succeed for your career. And I gotta say, I know some of the pastry chefs might not talk about it so often, but I still fail or make mistakes sometimes, and especially when I try new techniques, tools, or ingredients. But sometimes I make such a minor mistake, like I forget to set the timer. And sometimes things get a little bit too toasty, get burnt. And in the past, I made countless mistakes. I should make a video of my top 5 epic mistakes I made. Like, I have no idea how many times I forgot to add flour in my pastry cream, or how many times I failed with macarons, or how I made my own wedding cake without any support inside, which turned into, as you can guess, the Tower of Pizza. Tower of Pizza. So lots of mistakes. I'm a queen of mistakes, but those mistakes are now my asset. Thanks to them, I now know what to do or what not to do in baking, and all the tips and tricks, and maybe a better pastry chef. Like, by making pastry cream without flour, now I know how to fix it, or the importance of flour, what it actually do, or I now understand macarons pretty deeply. And I now know how to insert a pour inside a tiered cake, and how important that is, and how to make the cakes look beautiful. So don't get too discouraged with making mistakes. It can be heartbreaking at that moment, and it is totally normal. I think every time, but just when that happens, remind yourself that the more mistakes you make, the better you'll be each time. Experiences you get from mistakes are so precious. Whether it's a big one or a small one, it is more precious than all the success you will make. So every time you make a mistake, embrace it, congrats to yourself, and think it is a chance for you to grow one step more. And always try to find out why you failed so that you do better next time. So overall, I became much more confident in where I am, but I believe any incredible pastry chefs have strengths and weaknesses at some level, and there is no one that knows it all perfectly, and we are all still learning until we stop learning, because baking is so deep. It is about science, it is about getting to know all the ingredients we use. It is just a deep, complex science. So in case someone around you made you feel that you were really bad intentionally when you failed, or told you that you would not be successful in the field just by judging your current skills, just don't listen to them. That can be your teacher, boss, or coworker. They may simply have forgotten how they started from zero, and a lot of times they're just carrying their own problems mentally. Don't get crushed by that. Just focus on you. Just focus on your goal. Don't listen to them. And I just wanted to add one thing. Even though you love baking, you might not be able to do it full time or choose not to, and that is totally okay. I think a lot of my subscribers have a different career and enjoy baking as a hobby with full passions, and that's one of the choices. And you don't need to feel less about that, because we all have different things we want to achieve in our lives with different background and stories. You can pick how you want to relate to baking. We all should have a different relationship with it, because we are all different. So either you bake as a full-time, part-time, as a side business, or as a hobby, or a few of them all together. I genuinely hope that more and more people bake specifically at home for you and for precious people around you. Either it's every week or once a month, whenever it fits in your lifestyle, because I believe baking is to make our daily lives a little bit more special and a little bit more exciting. So use baking as a tool to make someone happy, to create precious memories, to create a bond with your family, or to simply treat yourself when you need it, and for so much more joy. And you don't need to be a master of baking to do all that, right? Everyone can start baking. Everyone can enjoy baking, like right now. And when you do that, you'll be surprised to know how much you can improve without feeling like you're obligated to work or study. And I would be more than happy if you use my channel as a space to learn for that purpose. And I hope I can be along with your baking journeys for years to come. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you, even a little bit. And if you have additional questions, please let me know. Please comment below, and I'll try my best to answer it. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I really appreciate it. So keep baking, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.